Hello everyone, welcome to Fix It Up. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the hood and the fenders. We're also going to remove the radiator and the air conditioning condenser. We're going to go ahead and take this support piece out and replace it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now would be a good time to remove the hood. We'll start by removing the bolts. We have 2 bolts in each hinge on each side, and we have a washer fluid line. We'll go ahead and pop that off. Go ahead and remove the bolt. And when you do the last one, it's going to be loose, so go ahead and hold it. And it lifts right up. Okay, so we'd like to remove the fender. First off, we'll notice that there's some bolts along the inside of the engine bay. So now that our door is open, we can come in here and take a look and see. We've got a bolt here. And there's one more bolt behind the inner fender well. So we just come in here and remove the bolt. Next we'll remove all the brackets. Now in order to remove the fender, we're going to take the tire off, take the inner fender well out. That'll give us access to the last bolt. Okay, now that our bolts are removed, this tab lifts up and the headlight will pop right out. Now the bulbs, we'll twist them, turn them, pull these out. So now that we remove the bolts, we have one left. Down here in the inner fender, we have one more bolt. We'll go ahead and take this one out. Okay, so there's one more bolt underneath this cover, and we're going to go ahead and get in there and remove this one. Okay, so now we have one more bolt located underneath. We'll go ahead and remove this one. Okay, now the fender should lift right off. There we go. Great, now we've got that fender off, we can go ahead and remove this. Because this fender is shoved in, we got to move it back so we can open the door without damaging it. So what I'm going to do is get in here and I'm going to move it over. So now we should be able to open the door and get to our final bolt. Okay, one more bolt underneath the cover here. And the cover should just come right off. So as we can see, the damage is significant. Looks like the hinges are twisted, so we're going to go ahead and remove those next. 12mm socket. Lift right off. As you can see, the hinge is pretty twisted from the impact, so this is garbage. We'll go ahead and throw it in the scrap pile. So we've got new hinges from our Pontiac Vibe. We'll go ahead and put those on next. Just 2 bolts and screws right in. Okay, we snug them down. We'll adjust them when the panels are on, make sure they're aligned right. But we went ahead and replaced them. We got nice straight hinges. Once we drill out the spot welds, we can go ahead and remove everything in one piece. All the way down to where these spot welds are right here. So we'll go ahead and take all that apart and lift it off. In the next video, we're going to show you how to completely remove everything by drilling all the spot welds out. We'll show you how everything goes together, how the body panels are seamed in. We're going to go in and cut all along the body lines and remove the panels and replace it all as one piece. So that brings us to the end of this episode. If you have any comments, tips, or tricks, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.